Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with ZipRecruiter, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect with ZipRecruiter, begin by visiting the ZipRecruiter website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. Choose whether you want to sign up as a job seeker or an employer. If you're a job seeker, select the job seeker option. For employers, select the employer option. Fill out the required information in the registration form. This may include your name, email address, and password. After entering your information, click on the Create Account button. Next, check your email for a confirmation message. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, return to the ZipRecruiter website. If you're a job seeker, complete your profile by adding your resume and relevant work experience. Employers should provide information about their company and job openings. Make sure to use keywords that are relevant to your industry. To search for job postings, use the job search bar on the home page. Enter keywords related to your desired job or field. You can also adjust the location settings to find local opportunities. Browse through the list of job postings that appear. Click on any job title to view more details. If you find a job that interests you, click on the Apply button. Upload your resume or complete any application forms as required. Employers can post job openings by clicking on the Post a Job button. Fill out the job description, requirements, and salary information. You may also set preferences for the type of candidates you wish to attract. Once your job listing is complete, review all entered information. Finally, click on the Post Job button to publish your listing. To manage your applications or job listings, log into your account regularly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.